Welcome to my channel CA Joyam. We shall discuss in brief section 128A of the GST Act, which is a conditional GST amnesty scheme launched by Union Budget 2024. Hi, good morning. Next 2 days more weekend. So this is regarding the GST amnesty launched by Union Budget after it was brought back to power. Now the scheme is applicable as of now with effect from 1st November 2024. मतलब यही महीने से applicable है. The amnesty is pertaining to notices and demands issued under only section 73 and its clauses, not for section 74. मतलब वो fraudulent cases, fake invoicing ये सब इसमें covered नहीं है. Now section 128A has been issued in this respect for circulars and guidelines for availing this amnesty. दिस इज ए कंडीशनल एमनेस्टी. जो मेन जीएसटी का डिमांड है वो पेएबल है एंड द स्कीम इज एप्लीकेबल फ्रॉम जुलाई 1st 2017 टिल 31st मार्च 2020. मतलब फाइनेंशियल ईयर 17-18, 18-19 एंड 19-20 for which you can claim this amnesty for interest and penalty only. The main tax amount has to be paid. Now the guideline for availing this amnesty of only the penalties and interest for 17-18, 18-19 and 19-20, especially again I repeat from 1st July 2017 till 31st March 2020. The main tax amount has to be paid by March 31st 2025 and the forms pertaining to this has to be submitted online by June 30th 2025. Now the forms pertaining to this SPL1 and SPL2. SPL1 is where the notice has been issued and SPL2 is where the demand has been issued by the department after assessment under only section 73, not for fraudulent and fake ITC, fake invoicing cases. Now these two forms will be available online with effect from January 2025. First week of January तक ये forms launch हो जाएंगे. The CBIC has clarified yesterday. Now you have to first apply under either of these two forms. One, if there is any discrepancy or error, mismatch, the officer will scrutinize and send it back. You will have to correct and then submit the form. This is only a one time scheme. You will not be able to avail. अगर आप पेमेंट नहीं कर पाते मेन टैक्स अमाउंट का बाई 31st मार्च 2025 तो ये वेवर खत्म, आपको पूरा इंटरेस्ट और पेनल्टी पे करना पड़ेगा. तो टैक्स पेमेंट जो है वो मार्च 31 2025 तक आपको पे करना है और इससे संबंधित जो एमनेस्टी आप ले रहे इंटरेस्ट और पेनल्टी का, इसके जो दो फॉर्म्स है SPL1 या SPL2, whichever is applicable to you, has to be submitted by June 30th 2025. अगर आप ऑलरेडी डिमांड के अगेंस्ट में पे कर चुके हैं अभी DRC3 यूज करके, तो आप ये DRC3 को ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं DRC03A में और वो डिमांड के अगेंस्ट एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं, विच इज ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन सिंस लास्ट वीक. DRC03 लॉन्च कर दिया गया है. कभी कभी डिमांड का पेमेंट कर देते DRC03 में, पर लाइबिलिटी वैसे का वैसे ही दिखता है. तो डिमांड के अगेंस्ट में आपको DRC03A चालान भरना है. आप वो चालान को इसमें कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं ऑनलाइन. इट इज ऑलरेडी अवेलेबल. और अगर आप एमनेस्टी ले रहे हैं, यू हैव टू फाइल after the forms are available in first week of January 2025 and the liability has to be discharged through electronic liability ledger ताकि डिमांड के अगेंस्ट में मेन टैक्स अमाउंट पे हो जाए. These are the guidelines issued under 128A for conditional waiver of GST, otherwise known as GST Amnesty 2.0 as per Union Budget 2024. Hope you are liking the updates. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Go through the PowerPoint presentation, which is very important. Get back to me on the mail IDs in case you have got any doubts. We'll be happy to help. Bye and take care.